Let's look at a poem from Savi Kannada, grade 4. The name of this poem is Dudimeya Garime. It is written by B.V. Kulamarva. So Dudime means work, Garime means greatness. So the greatness of doing work, or what is the importance of doing work? So let us look at the poem now. So if you see, there are pictures of few people here. So these are different professions. So this poem is talking about the people from different professions, the kind of job they do and how important the job is. So the first picture, this is a picture of a blacksmith. So blacksmith usually works with metals, usually iron. They work with iron, metal iron. So let's look at the lines here. ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ಕುಟ್ಟುತ್ತ ಹಾರೆಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ಮುದದಿಂದ ಕೊಡುವೆನು ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯನು ಬೆಳೆಯಲು ನೆರವನ್ನು ನೀಡುವೆ ಜನರನ್ನು ಸಲಹುವ ದಾತನಿಗೆ. Kabbina is iron kuttu, means to hit it hard with the hammer. If you see here in the picture, he is holding a hammer and he is hitting the iron, metal iron. Hareya maduta, and he is making a crowbar. This is a picture of a crowbar. So kabbina kuttuta hareya maduta means I hit the iron hard and I make a crowbar out of it. Then mudadinda koduvenu raitanige, and with lot of joy and happiness I will give it to the farmer. Raita means farmer here. Belayanu belayalu neravanu needuve, so I provide help to the farmer to grow his crops. Janaranu salahuva datanige, who is the farmer? The farmer is the one who provides food for all of us. So the blacksmith is saying, I am helping the farmer by making a crowbar and giving it to him. Now why does the farmer need a crowbar? This is a crowbar. Why does he need it? So the farmer needs it for many things. One, if the soil is very hard or if there are some stones and gravels in the soil, he can pull it all out. Then two, he might need to dig deep holes to sow the seeds. For all that, crowbar will be useful for him. So this is the blacksmith, what job he does and how useful his job is. Then the next one, this is a picture of a carpenter. If you see that he has a lot of wooden logs and planks and he is working on it. So kaadanu seruta vonamara hudukuta ನೇಗಿಲ ಅಳತೆಗೆ ಕೊಯ್ಯುವೆನು ಉತ್ತಮ ಹಲವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ನೊಗವನು ಕೆತ್ತನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀಡುವೆನು. So ಕಾಡನ್ನು ಸೇರುತ್ತ ಒಣಮರ ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತ, so I go to the forest in search of dry tree, because the carpenter will cut the tree and he will get wood from there with which he can make tools or items from wooden items. So ಕಾಡನ್ನು ಸೇರುತ್ತ, I go to the forest in search of dry tree. ನೇಗಿಲ ಅಳತೆಗೆ ಕೊಯ್ಯುವೆನು, I will go and get the wooden logs and I will cut it for the measurement of a plow. ನೇಗಿಲು means plow. ಉತ್ತಮ ಹಲವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತ ನೊಗವನು ಕೆತ್ತನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀಡುವೆನು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಹಲ means, again hala also means plow. ನೇಗಿಲು ಹಲ, they both mean plow. So I will make the best plow with it and I will also make the yoke. Noga means yoke. If you see, this is the picture of a yoke. So this will be put on both the bulls or the ox's neck around here, and the other side a plow will be connected to it. So this is how the farmer will use the plow to do his work. So the carpenter is saying, I will make a plow, I will also make the yoke with that plow and give it to the farmer. So again the carpenter is helping the farmer by providing him tools, that is the plow and the yoke. Then next one is, if you see the picture here, this is a picture of a washerman. So what does he do? ಬಟ್ಟೆಯ ಗಂಟನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಕತ್ತೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸುವೆನು, ಹರಿಯುವ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕಲುಷಿತಗೊಳಿಸದೆ ಒಗೆಯುವನೆಲ್ಲರ ವಸನವನು. So he is a washerman. He says, ಬಟ್ಟೆಯ ಗಂಟನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ. So I collect the cloths bundle, which all cloths need to be washed. I collect the bundle of those clothes. And ಕತ್ತೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸುವೆನು. I will keep it on the back of a donkey and take it near the river. ಹರಿಯುವ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕಲುಷಿತಗೊಳಿಸದೆ, and the flowing river, I will not pollute it by washing. So I will wash it in, I'll wash all these clothes in such a way that it will not pollute the river. Oge is wash. Vasana is clothes again. Batte and vasana both mean clothes. So the washerman is saying that I will collect all the clothes, I will make a bundle of the clothes, keep it on the donkey's back, take it to the water. I will wash all the clothes in the river in such a way that the river does not get polluted. Then the next one, he is a fisherman. If you see the picture here, he's in a boat and he is throwing a net. So this is about fisherman. ಕಡಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬೀಸುತ್ತಾ ಮೀನನ್ನು ಸಡಗರದಿಂದಲೇ ಹಿಡಿಯುವೆನು. ಸಂತೆಗೆ ಸಾಗಿಸಿ ಮಾರಲು ಕುಳಿತರೆ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಎಣಿಸುವೆನು. So ಕಡಲು is sea. What does the fisherman do? He goes to the sea and he throws his net there and he catches the fishes. So kadalalli balayanu, balay is net. Beesuta meenanu. So I throw the net in the sea and I collect fishes. I catch fishes with lot of enthusiasm. Sadagara means enthusiasm. Santege saagisi. Then I transport all these fishes to the market. Maralu kulitare, and I sit there and sell the fishes. Sanjege hanavanu enisuvenu. So the entire day he will sit there selling the fishes, and by evening, Sanjay means evening, hanavanu enisuvenu, I will start counting my money. Whatever he sold, he will sell the fishes for money. So all that money I will be counting by evening. Then the next one, you see, this is a picture of a tailor. So ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಬಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡುಗೆಯ ಹೊಲಿಯುತ್ತ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಮನವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವೆ. ಅಪ್ಪನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಳಗದ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ ಗಳಿಸಲು ತವಕಿಸುವೆ. So ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ means new. ಬಗೆಯ type, new types of, or which is very fashionable and nice. ಉಡುಗೆ dresses. ಹೊಲಿಯುತ್ತ, I stitch new types of clothes, dresses. Not clothes, I stitch new type of dresses. Mayanu manavanu belagisuve, I will light up the heart and the body. You feel very happy, right? When you get new clothes and when we wear them, we feel so nice and happy looking at ourselves in those clothes. So that is the meaning of belagisuve. Not like really lighting up a lamp, it's like lighting up your mood, making you feel happy. ಅಪ್ಪನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಳಗದ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ ಗಳಿಸಲು ತವಕಿಸುವೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು means all the family, and balaga, the family members. The tailor says he stitches clothes for the entire family, and he is eager to listen to everybody's praise, saying how nicely he has stitched, or how nice the dresses look on the people, or how nicely they fit each of them. So the tailor is eagerly waiting for somebody to praise his work. So these are all the different professions and how people work hard. So you need to know the importance of work. Okay. So this is Dudimeya Garime.